Hey you guys, how you doing today? I'm gonna do this lovely look. If you like this look, keep on looking or whatever, and if you don't, that's fine. There's other videos up here.
Right here, I'm beginning to blend the blue above my crease line. If you do get the blue anywhere else, you can go back and clean it up, but you want to blend above your crease line. Okay, right here, I'm using the NYX eyeshadow base to cut my crease. I wouldn't recommend anyone purchase this because it's a really oily product and it's really thin and it doesn't get the job done like it's supposed to. It didn't give what it was supposed to give, so I wouldn't purchase it again. Right here, I'm just placing my other color on top of the eyeshadow base. And like I said, the eyeshadow base is a very crappy. It was hard to work with, and so I had to keep layering my eyeshadow on top of that base. And normally I don't have to do that with this particular eyeshadow case that I'm using, but with the base on top, I really had to keep layering to make sure that color popped like I wanted it to. Going back in with the blue to redefine that blue and make it pop even more. Right here, I'm just basically using some Vaseline to clean up all the fallout that I had under the eye. Now I'm going in with a paper towel to clean up everything. To get rid of all that Vaseline that I placed under the eye to clean up the fallout. Right here, I'm using some Duo Lash Glue to place on the cut crease area to place glitter on that area because I wanted to use that shimmer green just to make the glitter pop a little bit more. But I'm going to put some glitter on that lid that is the same color as that shimmer color. I'm going in with my glitter. I'm placing the glitter on top of the area where I placed the glue. Right here, I'm placing some dual lash glue above my lash line. I'm sorry I'm out of the camera frame. And right here, I'm just cleaning up all the fallout from the glitter. And now I'm putting on my lashes, and I'm pressing my real lashes into my falsies. Right here, I'm basically using a small brush to go in and clean up with some foundation around the areas where I wasn't able to get with my bigger brush, and just blend everything on out. Going in with some darker concealer on my nose and on my lower cheek line. And I'm going in with my brush to blend everything on out. And I'm using a small angle brush to blend everything out on my nose. Going in with a lighter concealer under the eye. I'm also placing some on my forehead, my nose, and my cupid's bow. using a triangle shape powder puff to blend everything out. I wet it with my setting spray. You guys can wet it with water if you want to, or you can use a sponge. You don't have to use a powder puff, but I like the powder puff because I like how it's shaped. I'm able to blend everything out as I please to with that triangle shape. As you can see, I was able to get in that corner really good with that triangle shape, and so that's why I use my powder puff to blend with, and I wet it with my setting spray. Right here, I'm just placing my setting powder. I'm not going to let it set because I don't want it to look white. So what I'm going to do is brush it away once I put in the areas I want it to be in. I do not want the ghost effect, so that's why I'm not going to let it set. Right here, I'm going in with a brown liner. I love a nude lip, so that's what I'm doing. I'm going to try to do more looks with colorful lips, but I love a nude lip, and I'm just basically going in with my brown liner. Putting mascara on my lower lash line. Then I'm going in with some blush. Then I'm going in with a highlight with a small fan brush. Everything will be listed in the description box below. Then I'm going in with a nude pink on my inner lips.
Alright, so this is the final look, or whatever. I really like it. Let me know how you guys feel about this look. I hope you guys really like it. So yeah, this is the final product of the look. Like I said, I hope you guys really like it. I really liked it. I really enjoyed doing something different.
Quick shout out. This girl does amazing graphics. She did my logo. Here's my logo. I'll see you guys in the next video.